Lipa, Poland. This is where NATO conducted its largest anti-drone exercise of the year. The EFDL system was tested, soldiers were trained, and new tactics were developed. If you want to know how NATO counters drone threats on the front lines, this is the full report. In recent years, the threat posed by unmanned aerial systems has grown rapidly. The modern battlefield is changing, and drone technology has become one of the primary challenges for combat units around the world. To address this challenge, NATO countries conducted an intensive counter-UAV training exercise in Lipa, Poland, from November 4th to 17th, 2025. This video will provide a complete overview of how the training was carried out, how soldiers were trained to operate the Electronic Fires and Drone Layer, or EFDL, and how Poland and Romania are strengthening NATO's deterrence line on the Eastern Flank.
Fire one, come back, fire the next. Yes. As the other team resets. No.
This exercise was joined by soldiers from several allied nations, led by instructors from the United States who brought direct battlefield experience. The main focus of the training was the operation of anti-UAV systems that have been proven effective in the conflict in Ukraine. For a full 2 weeks, Polish and Romanian soldiers underwent intensive training, ranging from drone maintenance and launcher handling to procedures for neutralizing small aerial threats commonly used in modern warfare. The objective is clear: to create NATO units capable of responding to drone threats quickly, precisely, and effectively without relying on overly complex technology.
Good. Yep. Good.
Remote, like impound.
Are you guys gonna plug the battery back in to do that, or?
Oh, good.
Small and medium-sized drones have become the backbone of intelligence operations and close-range precision strikes in various modern conflicts. From Ukraine to the Middle East, drones are used for reconnaissance, attacks, and even as platforms for electronic warfare. NATO recognizes that the eastern flank of Europe, particularly Poland and Romania, is the region most vulnerable to these threats. Therefore, the training in Lipa serves as a crucial moment in accelerating combat readiness and the adoption of the latest defense technologies. The Electronic Fires and Drone Layer, or EFDL, is an anti-UAV system developed based on real-world combat experience from the war in Ukraine. This system offers high-accuracy detection, tracking, and neutralization capabilities against drones. What makes the EFDL stand out? 1. Easy to operate. The system can be handled by regular soldiers without advanced technical expertise. 2. Modular and quick to deploy. EFDL can be rapidly mounted onto various platforms. 3. Effective against multiple drone types, including quadcopters, small fixed-wing drones, and medium-range reconnaissance UAVs. 4. Footage from the exercise shows soldiers performing routine maintenance, power checks, and sensor and launcher alignment, core elements of operating this system. During the exercise, the soldiers went through several critical phases. The first phase was hardware familiarization, target drones, launchers, control consoles, and electronic antennas used to detect enemy signals. The second phase focused on maintenance training, where soldiers were taught how to handle minor damage, replace components, and ensure every unit remained mission-ready. The third phase involved enemy contact simulations. Soldiers executed drone attack scenarios, from detection and target locking to responding to threats using defensive tactics. Each phase was designed to ensure the system could operate at maximum performance, even in harsh weather or high-pressure situations.
On the mud. Ethernet cable.
Poland and Romania have become the two most active countries in strengthening their air defense capabilities, especially as drone threats continue to rise along their border regions. By adopting anti-UAV systems such as the EFDL, both nations demonstrate their commitment to becoming the first and foremost line of defense in protecting NATO's eastern flank. Joint training like this is also a crucial part of interoperability, the ability of forces from different nations to use the same systems, tactics, and procedures during combined operations.
Good.
Good.
Take the drone. Make sure it doesn't come off.
Yep. Oh.
Pin pulled. Good.
Pin pulled.
From an effectiveness standpoint, the training in Lipa highlighted several key points. Increased reaction speed. Soldiers were able to detect small drone threats within seconds. Ease of use, demonstrating that modern anti-UAV systems no longer require high-level specialists. Rapid allied adaptation. NATO showcased its ability to respond to threats by integrating lessons learned from real combat environments. Strong collaboration, cross-nation training accelerated the transfer of expertise and the overall improvement of force quality. Overall, this exercise reinforces the belief that the EFDL is one of the most practical and effective solutions for countering enemy drones in the future.
I'm in track. You good? Line.
The anti-UAV training in Lipa, Poland, was more than just a routine exercise. It symbolized the evolution of NATO's defense posture, combining modern technology, real battlefield experience, and multinational collaboration to build a stronger deterrence line in Europe. As drone threats continue to rise across various regions of the world, systems like the EFDL will play a major role in safeguarding troops, protecting borders, and maintaining regional stability. This is a complete look at how advanced defense technology is tested, trained, and applied directly by Allied soldiers. The EFDL is in action, and NATO is ready to confront the next generation of aerial threats.
Two, one, launch.
Two, one.